Hi there! Are you planning to buy a ring light? Or you already purchased but there's no manual included? If you want to know how I set up my ring light and tripod without a manual, just keep on watching. I bought a new tripod for my ring light and this is the Yunteng VCT 668. It comes with a good quality bag so you can carry and keep your stand from dirt and dust. And after unboxing my tripod, this is what it looks like. This tripod is made from rubber, aluminum, and hard plastic, while the height can reach up to 148 centimeters when extended. Compared to my old aluminum tripod, this one is way more steady because of its sure grip rubber feet. Before choosing and buying a stand, you need to consider the weight and the size of your ring light. Why? This is my first aluminum tripod and I did use it to my ring light. It works, but if you need to bend or bow down the stand, it will be difficult to maintain its balance. That's because we have this what we call maximum weight capacity. I chose a tripod over a studio light stand because I only have limited space. Plus, this is perfect for DSLR or mirrorless camera. Next is the ring light from Beauty Live. I got this for only 900 pesos thanks to online discount codes and vouchers. It doesn't have bubble wrap, but I received it in good working condition. What I like about this unit is the built-in 1/4 screw and hot shoe slot so you can mount your camera or even your microphone. Here's the built-in controller. Also, Beauty ring light don't come with an adapter. I guess they figure out that everybody has their own to use. This is the ball head mount with hot shoe. And this is the gooseneck bendable bar. I'll show you on the next clip how to use this. Last but not the least is the spring clamp. First things first, plug the ring light and we'll turn it on using the built-in controller by pressing the on and off button. To change the light mode from light, warm, and warmest, press or click the model button 3 times. While the arrow up and down will change the brightness from high to low. If you're from Manila, you can also find this in Divisoria and it's 3,500 including a standard stand. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, I encourage you to do so. Links to my social media accounts is up here. Here's how I set up the ring light to my tripod. First, remove the quick release plate and attach the gimbal ball. Make sure to tighten up the screw of the gimbal ball head to ensure that the ring light will not fall. Next is attach this 1/4 screw adapter to the dedicated cold shoe slot. Gently push the gooseneck at the back of the spring clamp or phone clip until you hear a clicking sound. And put the spring clamp cap. Attach the assembled phone clip and gooseneck to the 1/4 screw adapter. Next, connect the gimbal ball to the ring light. And once done, just slide back the quick release plate to the Yunteng tripod. Adjust the gimbal ball to your preferred angle while holding the ring light. Clip your phone to the spring clamp and voila, we're done! These accessories are optional, but I purchased extra gimbal ball heads, phone clip, because I may need them in the future, and some are compatible to DSLR, mirrorless, or even action camera. And if you're interested where I bought the items that were featured in this video, just go to the description box. Oh yeah, one more thing. This OTG or on-the-go card reader is currently my favorite because this is designed for Android phone users. Just plug it to your phone to transfer a file. Though it's only 2.0, I still find it useful. So that's it. Thanks for watching this video. Hope you like it. Till next time. Bye bye.